Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a very short first impressions of the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Waterproof Brow Gel. Now you guys know I'm not that skilled at brow products. However, I thought that this one was very interesting. So it says it lasts up to 2 days and you're supposed to be able to fill in and kind of sculpt your brows out how you want them, all in one swoop. I got mine in the shade medium brown. There were 5 shades available. This retails for $12.99, and this is what it looks like here. And yes, it comes with a little spoolie. I think this is just to brush through after the product has already been on. I have a spoolie brush, so I'm just going to use the spoolie brush that I know and love. I like this one because it has a longer handle as well. Okay, so here is the product here. You are getting 0.23 fluid ounces. I feel like this would last you a while, probably as long as the expiration date. The expiration date of this, ooh, that is not what I was expecting at all. So check out this applicator. I don't think I have enough brows to use that applicator, but we shall see. I did bring my little Luxie small angled brush just in case. This is what I usually use for my brows. And I apologize for my voice, guys. I am just I'm so sick and nasally right now, but I still wanted to film for you guys. So yeah, please just excuse my voice. Trying to work with it here. Alright, now I hope I picked a dark enough color as well. Okay, so I'm gonna try it how they say, and no, I cannot use this like that. I'm going to just get some of this onto my brush. Otherwise, especially if this stays for 2 days, guys, like I can't have my brows messed up for 2 days. So I hope I don't get too much hate for using my own brush, but you'll still be able to see the product and how it performs, and you're supposed to just brush this through your brows anyway. So I do think it's doing a good job of filling in for sure. You know how some brow gels will just grab the brow hairs and make those look darker and fuller, but all of the actual sparse areas it won't stick to. This is not doing that. It really is filling my brows in nicely, and I do have quite a bit, as you guys know, that I like to fill in. Now, I think that the color match is decent. Okay. Alright, so not bad. I really kind of like it. Now they do have like a tattoo brow pencil as well. My sister has that and she tried it out, and it really is waterproof, guys. Like, we were swimming in a chlorine filled pool and she was rubbing her eyebrows and it was not coming off. But that one as well, she ended up having to use like a little brush like this. Like she couldn't just use the applicator. It was really kind of strange. So I think that's just how these products are unless you have really, really full brows. So yeah, I think the color matches good. I think deep brown would be for like if you had about black hair. Because I have pretty, I mean, I've got dark brown hair. And medium brown is working just fine for me. It's actually a pretty good match, if I do say so. I was worried about it being too light, but nope, it's working just fine. I will say it is a little strange going in with like a more wet product, because usually even the pomades that I use are not as wet as this. They're more of a dry formula, but it is working fine. Alright, so essentially I guess I'm supposed to be fine not doing my brows for the next 2 days. If this works, this could be a favorite. Okay, because brows are something that I don't like to leave the house unless they are done. However, they are just one of those things that are just boring to do, like not a fun thing to do, you know? Okay, so it's a fine spoolie. There's nothing wrong with it. It is nice that they provided one. They did not have to do that. Alright, so that is the brow look. Medium brown, like I said, is a very good shade match for me. So if you have anywhere near my color hair, medium brown was a very good match. $12.99, if it works, is well worth the price for me not to have to do my brows every day. Like I said, it is just something that is a routine that I don't get excited about doing every day. So that would be well worth it for me, and that is why I picked this up. Now, it says that this lasts for 2 days, so we're going to test that out. Today it is Sunday, September 2nd, so I will just pop in for the next 2 days and check in with you guys and see, you know, what the status is. Alright guys, I am back. I just washed my face for the night, and this is going to be a real short review because it is already gone. Oh, and I am testing out the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Eye Mask that I got in my BoxyCharm. They're okay, nothing too special, just in case you were wondering why I had this going on. So yeah, not my favorite mask, but it's nice to try out. But yeah guys, final thoughts on this. I don't know what Maybelline is talking about up to 2 days, okay? Like I said, my sister did get the pencil and she was swimming in the pool and this was not coming off. However, I do remember when she went upstairs to shower, she did have to touch up, so I'm assuming the same thing happened to her. But yeah, while this might be waterproof, it is not soap proof, and I don't know who's gonna not wash their face for 2 days. Maybe if you were using like a cleansing towelette and you just wiped everywhere and avoided your eyebrows. I don't know. To me, I don't know, that's just too much work. Like, I'm not gonna try to avoid something like eat something either works or it doesn't, and this doesn't.
So it's a fine eyebrow product. Like, I will still use it. I kind of have to now. But if I was going to recommend something, I would definitely say if you're at the drugstore, I would pick up that e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. It's $2, and at least you know what you're paying for. It's a fine pencil. But yeah, I don't recommend this. The applicator is not the best. You still have to pull in your own brush, or at least I did. I would assume that most people would. So yeah, just I'm not a fan. Alright guys, so that is it. It is actually going to be a shorter review than I thought. If you guys enjoyed this video or if you found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up. It would really help me out. Please subscribe if you're not already to catch all of my future videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.